Learn shapes with Bobo and Zuzu.
Look! Shapes are everywhere. Come on, Bobo. Come on, Zuzu. Round, 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 a circle like a cookie. Round, 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 it rolls along the floor. Round, 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 can you draw a circle? Circle, circle, round and round. Circle, circle, round and round. 4, 4, 4, a square has 4 straight sides. 4, 4, 4, just like a window frame. 4, 4, 4, can you draw a square now? Square, square, 4 straight sides. 3, 3, 3, a triangle has 3 corners. 3, 3, 3, just like a party hat. 3, 3, 3, can you draw a triangle? Triangle, triangle, pointy top. Long and wide, a rectangle that's stretchy. Long and wide, just like a cozy door. Long and wide, can you draw a rectangle? Rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Twinkle, twinkle, a star up in the night sky. Twinkle, twinkle, with